And tonight, Bates is unveiling the details of a plan he says aims to improve transparency and accountability within his office. Alexa Ashwell was there for today's announcement. She joins us live with a breakdown of this plan. Alexa.
Yes, Marion, this is a copy of that more than 30-page plan. It's broken down into 5 pillars, each with its own set of goals that the city state's attorney says he'd like to accomplish within the next 3 years.
Good morning.
City State's Attorney Ivan Bates unveiling his 3-year blueprint to improve his office and the overall workings of the judicial process here in Baltimore. Under the acronym FACTS, the 5 pillars include fairness, accountability, collaboration, technology, and setting the standard.
We're trying to improve transparency and accountability.
Within the fairness pillar, Bates says he'd like his office to develop additional diversion programs. There are currently 5 programs, 2 created by Bates since taking office, including B360 diversion for those charged with dirt bike violations, as well as Bates' citation docket, which earlier this month he voiced wasn't receiving enough support from the mayor.
We talked about dealing with the citation docket, but one of the things we also have to talk about, and I hear time and time from the community, is what are we going to do about the prostitution? You know, we're trying to have those conversations in terms of what are all the different cases we could divert.
Accountability, collaboration, and technology include enhancing the public information dashboard, better teaming up to draft and pursue legislation for violent and firearms-related offenders, and obtaining the technology needed for cases to be swiftly and efficiently prosecuted.
The holdup then is the technology with us in Baltimore City Police Department.
The final pillar relates to staffing. Speaking of which, Bates says come September, his office should be fully staffed.
We're talking about the prosecutors who are boots on the ground in the courtroom fighting. We'll have all 188 positions filled, and that's why we're looking at and asking the mayor to unfreeze our 20 pins if possible.
Pins meaning positions. I asked. It's a request Bates says Mayor Brandon Scott has been receptive to.
He has. We've had that. It's been a good conversation. One of the things he did talk about is, hey, I want to make sure that these individuals be hired, but it's a little tricky with us because they won't get hired until September, but they've already accepted it. You know, sort of like, I guess, almost like the NFL draft. We drafted you. Season doesn't start till September, but we know you're coming. So we just want to make sure, but he has been receptive in that regard.
So these are many different actions that Bates says will have many different timelines, with some happening quicker than others. Reporting live in Baltimore, Alexa Ashwell, Fox 45 News.
I'm Mary Bubala. Thank you for watching. Here's another video for you to watch. Also take some time to subscribe to our YouTube channel.